In today's video, how to fix your online reputation using the power of video. Videos for online reputation management. We have been doing this with many clients lately, and it's a great place to start. I'll tell you why. When you record a video like this, if you're comfortable on camera, you get a lot of dialogue, okay? Writing is a little bit stinted. People tend to use AI and rely on that nowadays. We don't get a lot of humanized, truthful content. We don't get the verbatim of somebody speaking to us. When we want to fix our online reputation, videos are beautiful because I can chat with you like this. I can talk about any topic under the sun. Let's say it's reputation management. I'll speak to the camera completely unprompted, or I'll just train of thought, okay? Once I've completed this video, I will then upload it to my computer. I will grab a transcript of that audio, and you can use a number of tools. You can use otter.ai, pull the whole transcript, or you can even publish the video on YouTube and use a free tool. You can Google search a free tool, YouTube video to transcript, or get a transcript from this YouTube video. You copy the link, put it into the tool, then you get a full transcript of everything you said. So I can do that with this video, for example. I can then take that transcript and add it to AI model that I trained. So I can add this directly to ChatGPT, upload it, and say, write me 5 thought leadership articles mentioning this person's name. My name is Nadernejad, mention it in the H1. The title of the article, make 5 positive articles, and quote from this transcript. We instantly have 5 articles. I will download those 5 articles. So now, in addition to having that video, in addition to maybe I make a 15-minute video, I can chop that video up into 3 or 4 different videos, publish it, disseminate on a whole bunch of different platforms: YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram, X, Twitter threads, TikTok. So you can just imagine how much content, embedding those links onto the website. Then, as I mentioned, adding that transcript to ChatGPT, getting 5 articles, making 1 press release out of it. Press release goes to 500 sites. Then those articles are going to get, well, let's say I'll buy 5 placements, publish your article on my blog, write a guest post, those sort of placements, buy 5 of them on Fiverr, cost $50 to $200 maybe. Those articles will then go live, and then I can repeat. So video is powerful in that way, that it is the ultimate medium, in my opinion. You can start with it, then you can chop it up, and then you can use that video content's transcript to generate articles. You can embed the videos then with the articles together. It's great. You can't do that with writing, right? You can't take the written piece and produce visual effects from it unless I use AI, but it's not as natural yet, okay? So I recommend using videos. So fix your online reputation in that way if you're stuck right now and you're looking for different tactics. And if you need help doing that, we do this remotely with our clients, do it all the time. And we have some recording tools that allow us to not only do that, but structure it, disseminate the content, build websites, everything that you can imagine under the sun. My name is Nadernejad. We have been doing this for over a decade. So if you need our help, click the link in the description down below. We'd be happy to meet with you. Thanks for watching. Take care.